Metal is a category of chemical elements characterized by their conductivity, malleability, ductility, and luster. These elements are typically solid at room temperature, with the exception of mercury, and have a high melting and boiling point. Metals are known for their ability to conduct electricity and heat, and they often have a metallic luster or shine. Here are some general characteristics of metals. Conductivity. Metals are good conductors of electricity and heat due to the presence of free electrons that can move easily within the structure. Malleability. Metals can be hammered or rolled into thin sheets without breaking. This property is known as malleability. Ductility. Metals can be drawn into thin wires without breaking. This property is called ductility. Luster. Metals often have a characteristic metallic shine or luster. Solid state. Most metals are solid at room temperature, although mercury is a notable exception and is liquid at room temperature. High melting and boiling points. Metals generally have high melting and boiling points. To identify a metal, you can use various methods and properties. Here are some common ways. Conductivity test. Metals conduct electricity, so a simple conductivity test can help identify whether a material is metallic. If electricity can pass through it easily, it may be a metal. Visual inspection. Metals often have a distinctive metallic luster. They may also be shiny, reflective, and have a characteristic color. Magnetism. Some metals such as iron and nickel are magnetic. If a material is attracted to a magnet, it might contain metal. Density. Metals generally have high density. Comparing the density of a material to known values for metals can be a useful identification method. Chemical tests. Reacting a substance with certain chemicals can help identify whether it contains metal. For example, some metals react with acids to produce hydrogen gas. It's important to note that these methods are general guidelines, and a combination of tests may be needed for accurate identification. Additionally, some non-metals and metalloids can exhibit some metallic properties, so careful analysis is required for accurate identification.